Soiler Group contributes to the environment with the world's miraculous pumice stone. From screed to lightweight concrete, mortar and plaster, pumice reduces the dead weight of buildings and minimizes the consumption of energy through heat insulation. From filtration to horticulture, pumice increases productivity through decreasing the release of carbon dioxide, water savings, and aeration. The construction industry today consists mainly of safely built high-rise aesthetic buildings. Lightness and fire resistance are two aspects always under scrutiny. In this respect, prominent construction companies choose to use Şaponza. The use of Şaponza alone ensures the regulations in force for heat insulation between floors are met due to its main ingredient, naturally formed, pure, lightweight and perfect insulative material pumice stone. As a result, the use of petrol-based materials regularly used to achieve heat insulation regulations are no longer necessary, increasing the greenness of the building and decreasing costs. Although the application of Şaponza may be similar to standard dry screeds due to the careful choice of the material, its purity, clarity and characteristics, it requires experience to calibrate the product with the correction ratios of raw materials, grades and water consumption to create the perfect end result on the flooring. The experience of the technical team of Soiler Group together with specialized equipment means that Şaponza can be pumped up 30 levels with the use of just one pump. Pumping for higher buildings requires the use of a double pump system or moving the material to higher level floors first. The experienced Şaponza teams ensure that surface finishing is achieved according to the floor level required, with a tolerance of just plus or minus 3 mm. Surfaces are ideally prepared as a foundation for any kind of flooring material. Soiler Group values the safeguard of all its partners and ensures that all operations are performed in accordance with standard applicable work safety regulations. Şaponza is A1 rated fireproof, and the fire resistance level of flooring where this special screed is used ranges from 90 minutes to 180 minutes depending on the thickness of the material laid. One of the most important advantages of Şaponza in case of fire is that it does not emit smoke or gas, the major causes of deaths during fires. Together with all these advantages, Şaponza also affords sound insulation. Depending on the sound insulation values required, Şaponza is either applied directly or together with sound blankets. Sound blankets are susceptible to expansion from heat. The experienced Şaponza technical team determines the application format and the sound blankets are laid in such fashion as to prevent their deformation. Şaponza can be applied in both regular flooring and inclined surfaces such as terraces and balconies, where extra advantages can be gained. Protective screeds and roof gardens can easily be constructed with Şaponza. Şaponza decreases the dead weight of buildings, making them more resistant to earthquakes. Şaponza is 50% lighter than regular screed. This means that the measurement of cross-sections can safely be reduced during the static project stage. This brings yet more economy to the overall construction costs. You can safely place all kinds of scaffolding with wheels, transpallets and similar equipments on Şaponza, which has a compressive strength of 5 MPa. A perfect ground adhesion is created by the application of gypsum board. Finishes are realized trouble-free. Şaponza affords heat, sound and fire insulation together with the elimination of impact effect for standard constructions, and is a preferred product to reduce dead weights in the renovation of old buildings and buildings where the existing floor support is weak. Şaponza, the reliable, fire-resistant green screed. The solution for lightweight, heat, sound and fire-resistant floor screeds.